Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today, we are going to use eggshells as molds to make egg-shaped jello. Let's get started. Wash the outer shell of the eggs thoroughly. Pat dry. You would need a pair of sharp scissors. Gently tap to crack the top of the egg. Use the tip of the scissors to cut open a small hole. If you needed to separate the egg yolk for baking, gently shake to pour the egg white out in a bowl first. Then, holding the egg upright, shake vigorously to break up the yolk and pour it out. Otherwise, simply beat the egg inside with a chopstick or skewer and empty everything out at once. Rinse the shells several times with water. Fill the eggshells with water so they would not float on top. Bring up the water to a boil to sterilize the eggshells for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain out the water and place the eggshells on a rack with the holes down to dry. Prepare the jello according to the instructions on the box. Try out a small lot to test the firmness of the jello first. The jello egg might break when released from the shell if not firm enough. Roll up a small piece of rectangular parchment paper into a funnel. Fill the eggs with jello. 1 color per egg. Fill the brim with the dropper, but do not use the dropper to inject all the jelly liquid into the egg. It's more likely to induce bubbles. Place them in the fridge for at least a few hours, ideally overnight. In the meantime, we will prepare the next. Add granulated sugar to a clean pot. Turn the heat on low. The sugar will start to melt in 1 to 2 minutes. Stir frequently until the sugar liquefies and caramelizes. Continue to cook until it reaches a dark amber color. Keep the heat on low all the time. It will burn in a blink of an eye. Allow the caramel to cool just until it could be drizzled with a spoon into very, very fine silk-like threads. Slowly drizzle the caramel on a clean, flat surface. Remove any large clumps. Store it in a dry place, preferable in an airtight container. The sugar nets will melt if contact was moist, so do not put the jello eggs on it until you're ready to serve. Once the eggs have set completely, gently remove the shells. Happy Easter! I hope you have fun with this recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.